I'm Alex Royce. This is the Pennzoil Proving Ground Test Track, and this is the Hennessey Demon 1700. This project has been a multi-year long labor of love, and I am personally very excited to get my hands on this today. This is my first time driving this car today for the final validation test drive. We have spent a lot of time, money, and energy. We have some amazing team members that made it happen. I'm very excited for it. 1700 horsepower, you heard that correctly. This is a twin turbo version of the Demon 170. So we added a zero, 1700 horsepower, and it makes the wood. If you've seen our other video, we have a cool dyno video, we have a chassis dyno video and an engine dyno video. There's a lot of intense engineering that went into this. The power plant, the heart of this beast, is of course a twin turbo V8. This is a unique, bespoke, developed platform built just for us, for this car, that we had to engineer and develop. This engine costs $100,000, our cost, so it is ridiculous. The team here at Hennessey Special Operations, which is a division within our company, that's the team that has actually worked on this, developed, engineered, built mechanically, and tuned and test driven this car. You'll see us do one of these cool HSO projects about every 24 months. This is the first one in the fleet. So without further ado, let's stop the talking. Let's get into the car. I want you guys to hear it and experience it as much as you can through the video. We got microphones and cameras everywhere. Trust me, you're gonna wanna hear the turbo noise that this thing makes. Let's get into it.
I get a little butterfly with these sorts of things.
Fluttery?
Yeah. This is the first car that I have personally seen John drive and come back into the shop to hand the keys back off and warn people this is a fast car.
Already stock.
Yeah. And then within 48 hours we were having a meeting on how to add 700 more horsepower to it, which is just wild.
It just sounds...
It sounds insane. Everybody says all the time, turbos, whatnot, it sounds like a jet. You've had several Mark IV Supras. We've built tons of turbo cars here. Obviously, F5, we built crazy turbo cars. I can't think of one that sounds like this. This actually sounds like a jet.
It's like a 767 taking off. Dude. It has big turbos.
What they...
We were just spinning the whole time. And we were still moving.
You could still feel it pulling though. Dude! Yeah! Come on!
Dude, oh my gosh, look at the stripes we left. Oh my god.
Sticky the tires are. That's the thing too. The tires are sticky right now, picking up every single little rock, and we're just leaving 11s everywhere. Dude.
Whoa,
What do you mean?
Oh my god. We just left the gnarliest rolling burnout.
That's the longest roller I think I've ever been a part of.
That was 100-mile-an-hour rolling burnout. Oh my god.
Oh man. The pucker factor's real.
There's some pucker there.
Pucker
I'm having to really drive her. want to go fast. I just want to.
I
just want to do rolling burnouts.
I don't even know, like if the fast would really. I don't even want any.
You gotta drive this car.
I don't even know if I want to.
Whoever's in the driver's seat actually has to drive.
Gosh,
to be fair, though, I have everything off. So it wants to kill me bad. It really wants to kill me. Everything is off. So, honestly, don't turn everything off.
No,
that's the wrong idea.
But
for 99%. Okay, let's turn things back on and just let it hit traction control and let it take us there. I'm gonna leave it in automatic mode.
All right.
We're gonna roll into it and stay in it, and we'll let traction do its work. Everything's back on automatic mode.
Myself in here.
Wide open.
Drive it with traction on.
Yeah.
Dude, my heart is pounding right now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure not being in the driver's seat, spinning and correcting at 100 miles an hour is like kind of puckering.
Yeah, I don't love it. I don't love it, but I couldn't love it more at the same time.
Right. For me, I'm focused, but I'm in control. So I'm not as like
that's how
puckered. But I feel like for you, if I was in the passenger seat, I'd be like, are we good?
Yeah.
If you're a drag racer out there and you're like, oh man, that car's not even fast, it just does burnouts. Yeah, we're not trying to set world record quarter-mile times today. We're just having fun and doing some validation testing, making sure that this car can go through its paces. If you do a burnout and you launch properly, you throw the trans brake on, you throw it into launch mode, it's a fast car, it'll go down a drag strip, especially if it's prepped. We're on an unprepped surface, so anybody who's in the comments, I already know you guys. Y'all are like, oh, it's not even fast. Trust me, this car is fast.
It's stupid fast.
All right, let's do a rolling 4th gear pull. Wide open, full throttle, 5th gear.
Golly. Get to the speed limit quick.
Yeah. 20 to 60 is crazy.
20 to 60 is wild. The turbo spool is amazing with them up, but there's not a single noise that you want to hear come out of a car that this doesn't produce.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The turbo spool, the blow off, the V8, it's just, it checks every box. I'm saying
that acceleration.
I'm like snuggled into the seat every time, and I can't. I wish we could describe how hard it.
I know.
Sucks you in the seat.
You want to switch?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Right? Yeah, of course.
Okay, so that answers my question of where boost comes in. Like you have so much power band left after it starts rolling.
Yeah, it feels way stronger in the passenger seat.
I thought so too.
I was like, wow, it feels faster over here, like not driving. The time finally has come and gone. We got to drive this monster. I would say she's validated.
100%.
She rips.
This is the most wild car I have ridden and driven here in a little while. This is nuts.
Yeah, super rowdy, super fun. does whatever you want, still comfortable, still easy, has the creature comforts.
Yeah.
Really fast. If you want to go to the drag strip, great. It's gonna be really fast. It's gonna be a handful. You gotta drive it. This is like, if you want extreme, this is extreme.
You gotta know what you're doing behind the wheel of this thing for sure.
Yeah.
But my goodness, is it fun.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Yeah, this is
Great
awesome.
job to the team at HSO, Hennessey Special Operations. It's our division within Hennessey that builds, tunes, engineers the very cool one-off projects that we will do from time to time. We built our name going fast and making lots of horsepower, so we're going to keep doing that. This is one of the many future projects to come. I think we did a great job on this first go-around.
No, I think we nailed it.
And we've done cool high horsepower stuff before, but you know, that was like the main thing that we did. Now we build a lot of trucks and cool SUVs and cool sports cars, but they're not as extreme, which is great. There's a lot of people that want our products. This is kind of that special division that touches back to the heritage of where Hennessey really all began, with that custom high horsepower stuff. And I think we nailed it.
Yeah, just insane, over the top power, driving experience, everything kind of wrapped into one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we checked every box.
Once again, special shout out to the team, the HSO team, and our special partners that worked on this project with us. It has been a long labor of love. We've spent a lot of time, money, and engineering doing it. So, signing off for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.
Every day at Hennessey, we're making fast cars faster and taking engine performance to the extreme. That would not be possible without our friends at Pennzoil. Reliable engine performance always starts with the right motor oil. Pennzoil's Ultra Platinum Motor Oil delivers the most advanced formula for performance engines and promises protection for the lifetime of your vehicle.